Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Variety of Crochet. Today I have most beautiful, very elegant, amazing ideas all about of crochet, beautiful crochet, cat pot, beautiful knitted pattern, flower pot, the beautiful cat faces, the beautiful flowers, all about of knitted pattern, amazing flower pot designs. See the beautiful cat faces, see the very beautiful, attractive, gorgeous ideas. If you like the wonderful cat pot, if you also love flower pot, if you also love cats, so please full watch this video till the end. Very beautiful thread work, very amazing, adorable, cute crochet cat pot designs, beautiful smiles, then gorgeous faces, beautiful, elegant home decoration ideas. See the beautiful knitted pattern flowers, the beautiful vase, the beautiful cat pot. You can easily take this beautiful cat pot, your drawing room, your bedroom, your kitchens, home decoration, amazing ideas. So if you like this video and if you also love my ideas in my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, enjoy the beautiful crochet cat pot, beautiful flower pot, most attractive and stunning light and dark color, especially all about handmade crochet pattern. I hope my beautiful crochet fan love this wonderful and elegant ideas. So don't miss any ideas. Full watch this video till the end. Giving me feedback in comment section. I am reading for your comments. Lots of love, lots of fun. All my commenters, subscribers, my YouTube family members. Stay healthy, stay safe. Enjoy this wonderful crochet pattern, flower pot design and ideas. Beautiful knitted pattern, amazing art. Very beautiful home decoration design ideas. Cute crochet cats, beautiful flower pots. If you like this wonderful pattern and if you also love my ideas, so please share this video. And if you want another ideas all about of crochet, so please giving me feedback in comment section. I am waiting for your comments. So lots of love, lots of fun. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you soon another latest upload. See you soon another latest ideas. Bye bye. Don't miss any ideas. Take care of yourself.